Now we will see the next method for finding the basic feasible solution of transportation problem. Now see, this is called the minimum cost method. Again the numerical is same, that is having sources 1, 2, 3 and destination E, F, G, H. Suppose the cost is 4, 6, 8, 4 and 8, and the supply for source 1 is 40, for source 2 the cost is 6, 8, 6, 7, and the quantity available is 60, and so on. Where destination, suppose this is E, F, G and H, the demand is 20, 30, 50 and 50. Again we have added, if you add 150 and if you add this 150, supply is equal to demand, that is 150. Now in case of minimum cost method, we analyze all the cell and look at them which is having the minimum cost. In case of northwest corner, we just allocate the first to the northwest corner without looking at how much is the cost. Now see, if you observe all the cell, the cost of transportation is 4, then 6, here it is 5, 7 and 8. Okay, so which is minimum? Minimum one is this. Okay, now we need to allocate at the minimum first. So for cell 1 you can say the cost is 4, so we need to allocate here. How much we can allocate? Now the minimum of these two. So how much maximum we can allocate? Minimum of these two value, that is how much is the requirement 20 and how much is the supply 40. So we can allocate 20 here. So if you allocate 20, the requirement for the destination, suppose E, is over. Okay, so let us do that. So I have allocated 20 here. Now the requirement for destination, suppose this E, is over. Okay, and how much is remaining for source 1 is 20. So if you supply 20 here, the quantity remaining is 20. Now this is completed, the destination requirement is completed. Now look at the remaining cell and find out which is having the minimum cost. Now we will find the minimum cost at 3 locations, that is this one and this one. Okay, that is cell 1, 2, cell 2, 2 and cell 3, 3 you can say. This is 2, 3. Okay, not 2, 2. So at 3 location the cost is 6. So we can say it is tie. Now how to allocate in such situation? We call it is, you can break a tie arbitrarily. Like you can choose any one of these. If you choose another, you will get different solution. But this is the basic feasible solution, not the final optimum solution. So you can have a different solution, different values of the cost of transportation by selecting such case. Now in this tie of 3, I am going to select, suppose this one. So how much I can allocate if I select this? So 50 I can allocate. If I want to select this one, how much I can allocate? 20 I can allocate. So like this, so you can select this one. So if I select this, now if I select 50, allocate 50, which is the requirement for the destination this location, now remaining quantity will be 10. So cut it and write down 10 here. Likewise, now requirement for this destination is over, so you can delete this column. Okay, so draw one vertical line over here. Now again analyze and find out which is having the minimum quantity. Okay, minimum cost for which sale. So this is the minimum cost for this sale. Now how much quantity we can supply? Okay, the availability is 20 now only, because 20 already supplied here. So allocate 20 here. If you allocate 20, the source 1 will complete its supply. Okay, so you can delete and make it 0. And here the quantity required is again 10. So 30 minus 20, 10. Like this. So allocate 20 here, and the remaining quantity is 10 now, and this is finished. Now here, so these are the 4 cell remaining, 8, 7, 8, 7. Okay, now there are 2 minimum cost value, that is again 7, 7 here. So which you can allocate? Again you can write down arbitrarily. Okay, either you can select this one or this one. Okay, like this. So in this case I have selected this one where the quantity was remaining 10 and the requirement was 50, and the quantity after supply 10, the requirement will be 40 remaining, and the supply, that is source, is 0. Okay, now there are two cells remaining. Now it is crystal clear, that is 7 and 8. So allocate first for this 10, and the quantity remaining is 40, and allocate 40 here. The quantity for supply and destination demand will be finished. Now this is 10, the remaining is 40, and now if you supply 40 here, so it will 0. Now how many locations you are allocated? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so m plus n minus 1 is equal to 6. A number of allocation is equal to 6. So this is the criteria which is satisfying the requirement of basic feasible solution. And how to find out cost of transportation? Here 4 into 20, 6 into 20, 6 into 50, 7 into 10, 7 into 10, and 8 into 4. If you add that, the cost of transportation is 960. Now the one more case we will study, that is Vogel's approximation method.